Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the 8th video of the single cylinder engine assembly series. In today's video, we are going to cover two simple parts of this assembly. The first one will be piston pin, which is present inside the piston head, and then we'll be creating the retainer, which is present here. So let's get started. Open SolidWorks, go to File, click New, select Part and then click OK. Now from the right bottom, set the units in millimeters. Now you'll have to select a plane, so select right plane and then click on Sketch. So first of all, we'll create a circle and one more with same point as the origin. Alright, now using Smart Dimension, we'll give the dimension of the inner circle as 14 mm and the outer circle 18 mm. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss. Now instead of blind, select mid plane and let's give the dimension as 48 mm. So that's it, our piston pin is ready. After making the part, let's save the part with a proper file name. So after that, let's minimize it or we can close either. Now we are going to create the next part, so create a new part file. Again select a plane. I'm going to select the right plane again and click on Sketch. So let's start by creating the center line. We'll create a center line in opposite direction, that means towards down. Then using Smart Dimension, let's give the dimension of this line as 5 mm. It's not necessary to give the dimension. I'm giving the dimension so that I get a rough idea of the sketch I'm gonna create. Okay. Now using line, let's create a shape like this, which other than the horizontal and vertical relations created, please delete all other relations. Like this one, the parallel one, and one more parallel relation is created automatically. We'll delete that also. Now let's delete this relation too. Alright, now using Smart Dimension, we'll start giving the dimensions. So this inner radius is 3.5, thickness is 1.5, now the distance of this point from the center is 6.5, the height of this inclined line is 4 mm. Now this line is 2 mm and this side it is 1 mm. Okay, now this outer radius is 12.5. The horizontal and vertical distance of this inclined line is 2 mm. Now this horizontal line is of 1 mm. And this inclined line, the height of this inclined line is 5. Now the distance of this point from the center is 4.5. Okay, still our sketch is underdefined, so let's add more dimensions to it. So before we go with the dimensions, using display and delete relations, we'll add a relation that this point and this point will be horizontal. Okay, so now we are left with one blue line, so let's add a dimension for this blue line. Again, click on smart dimension. So we'll give this horizontal distance 2 mm. Okay, so our sketch is ready. Now it's super easy. I know these dimensions can be a bit confusing to follow from what I've done here. Okay, so I'll share the drawing of this part on my FB and Insta page, so you can follow the dimensions from there. Now go to features, click on revolve boss, and for the axis of revolution, select the center line which we have created, and for the angle, give it 360 degree. That's it, and then click OK. So our retainer is ready. So now I'm gonna create the rendered image of the two parts that we have created today. So if you would like to know how to render in SolidWorks, then I have done a detailed video on rendering in SolidWorks using PhotoView 360. So I'll mention the link for the video in my description box, so you can watch it from there. So if this video was helpful to you, then please do like this video and share with your friends, and let me know your suggestions in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So that's it. I'm Deepti Matthew. Thanks for watching.